Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an interactive quiz with Quizlet, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Go to the Quizlet website or open the Quizlet app. Log into your account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Click on the Create button, usually found at the top of the page. Choose Set to start a new quiz. Enter a title for your quiz in the designated field. Add a description if you'd like to provide more details about the quiz. Now, add terms and definitions that will be part of your quiz. You can type in the term and definition manually or import them from a document. To add an image or audio, click on the media icon next to the term. Continue adding terms and definitions until your quiz is complete. Once you have added all your content, review the information for accuracy. After reviewing, click on the Create button to finalize your quiz. Your quiz is now created, and you'll be directed to the quiz overview page. To make your quiz interactive, click on the Options menu. Choose game modes like Match or Gravity to engage users. You can also set privacy preferences to control who can see your quiz. To share your quiz, copy the link from the overview page. You can send this link to friends or students to participate in the quiz. Encourage participants to use the various study modes available. Monitor progress and performance through the insights provided by Quizlet. Edit your quiz anytime by going back to the quiz overview. Remember to keep your content updated for the best learning experience. That's how you create an interactive quiz using Quizlet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.